Hello, this video is going to show us how to use tools in Photoshop. So I'm going to start with the shape tool here. This is the shape tool right here. I can draw any shape I want with this tool. All I need to do is left click and drag, and there's my shape. This is my rectangle. I can change the color from the field here. I can select any color I want. Let's paint this one red. Yeah, then I can add what we call a stroke. The stroke is like a border. I'm gonna increase the stroke. I can change this to blue or yellow. Yeah, so this is my rectangle. If I want to draw another shape, I just come here on the toolbox here and right click. Yeah, you can see an ellipse tool. If I click the ellipse tool, I can draw a circle here. Just drag to the size you want. I can draw another circle here if I want. So I can change the color to any color of my choice. I can also change the border. Let me use an ash border. Yeah, so this is shapes for you. This tool is for drawing shapes. We also have custom shapes. You come down to the custom shape tool. This is where you have your custom shapes. You can see there's a cat, there's a dog, a snail, and all of that. So if I want to draw a cat, I can take the cat here, just drag. I wouldn't like the border. You can drag it to near. Maybe change the color to black. Yeah, we have a black cat. So this is shapes for you. The shape tool. Any shape you want to draw, you just come here. Lest I forget, we also have the polygon tool. If you want to draw a polygon that has 3 sides, you come here and impute it. So this is where you impute the number of sides for the polygon. Say if I want to draw a 7-side polygon, I impute 7 here, and I come here anywhere I want and draw the polygon. I would want to give it a border, so I'm giving it something. Now change the color to yellow. Yeah, so that's the shape tool for you. Thank you so much for watching.